right. It seems like both my dad and the world needs a more comfortable newspaper to read.
Where is that tap-tap noise coming from, Neşe?
I don't know. I think it's coming from outside.
Oh, do you girls hear that tap-tap-tapping noise as well?
Yes, we hear it. It sounds like a typewriter.
So this definitely has to be Mutlu.
But he's not in his room. We checked there.
Let's look for him together. The typewriter was in the garage, so let's look there.
The noise is coming from over there.
Oh, what happened here?
There! The noise of the typewriter is coming from the caravan.
Oh, look! Something is written on the door, too.
Dandy journalist Mutlu. My talented son is both reading now and even writing. Oh, look at him go. He's become a real journalist.
The first article of my newspaper is done. I need to go to the ocean and take an x-ray of a shark. Pictures are very important in the news world. There's got to be some news in its belly for sure. Oh, Father! Welcome, guys!
Why, thank you, Mutlu. I said it all wrong. Dandy journalist Mutlu, am I right? What are you doing here, huh?
I'm printing a newspaper, Dad. It's strictly for you. The pages of it will be smaller, and you'll be able to easily read it. And it'll also have the latest news in it as well.
Come on and hand it over. Why is it only for me, though? Maybe others will want to read it as well.
But I can only write one page at a time, though.
Okay, you prepare everything then, and we'll make copies of it at my office so everyone can read
That's
it.
perfect! I need to leave now. Dandy journalist Mutlu is on duty 24/7.
Did Mutlu say that he would go to the ocean to take an x-ray of a shark to find some news in
I
it?
think he said that.
Mutlu! Mutlu!
Where on earth did he go?
Tell me, how's the weather in the village there, Chief? It's fine here. I told you so many times to buy 2 more donkeys for the garden. The kids will be happy as well. Of course, of course. You can buy another animal as well.
Garden? Animal? Of course! A garden for animals, a zoo!
I have rheumatism pains again. That means it's gonna rain tomorrow.
Did he say rain? It might even be a big storm, too. Huh? Hey! Ooh! Hey! The youngsters who were driving fast in our neighborhood were about to cause an accident. Fortunately, Super Mutlu was on the case.
Hey, honey, there's an article in the newspaper about the star that I named after you. Take a look.
Wow! They wrote about the star you discovered and named my life after me. I read the newspaper, but I missed this one.
Missed this one? According to reports, the lion named My Life, who was living at the zoo right off of Daisy Street, has gone missing after the great storm that struck the neighborhood. Fortunately, Super Mutlu rescued a very bright young man from the youngsters who were driving way too fast. Then he saw the missing lion, he caught it, and he saved the neighborhood.
This weather. Ah, hello there. I didn't know you were here. Welcome. Do you know what? The weather is bad again today. So I want to do something at home. I decided to do something, but I forgot what it was now. I can't remember what it was. Mutlu? What are you doing like that?
Not only Mutlu, Neşe, it's Samurai Painter Mutlu. I'm famous worldwide.
That's right. The whole world knows you now. Don't you see that I'm chatting with my friends here?
Don't you move a muscle, sis. I'll create a great painting for you with this perfect paintbrush.
Okay then, come on, do it, Samurai.
I said don't move. Let's see. We will definitely need a bit more of yellow.
Mutlu, come on. Look, they're all watching us now. I can't stand here all day.
No need for that, sis. I can see the type of painting that I'm going to draw right now. I'm closing my eyes to remember it. Here I go. And I will create my art right away.
That is Mutlu. Sorry, I needed to say Samurai Painter Mutlu. So now, what was I going to do today?
I'm going to the kitchen for a little while, Manny.
Let me check on Mutlu then. Mutlu! Mutlu!
Now that's good. Let's take brown now. And now, let's add some hair here. Hi-ya! Hi!
Mutlu, what did you do?
What happened? I'm just drawing the picture of my sister on the wall with the hop-chaton technique of the samurai.
Yes, but you painted the wall.
I know. Sometimes I don't know where my art is going to appear. I also ran out of paper.
But your parents are gonna be sad when they see what you did with the wall.
What? You really think so? Oh no! What are we gonna do? Let's erase it all then. Oh no, my sister! Help me, Manny! She can't see this wall!
I forgot. I promised that I'd help my mom in the kitchen today.
Exactly, sis! You should go to the kitchen right now!
I agree, totally.
You're right. Let me do that.
What are we gonna do now?
We should find the same color as the wall and repaint it.
Super Mutlu song it is! We should tell my parents right away! I'm starting if we are ready. I am Super Mutlu, the most Super Mutlu, who goes to space sometimes and sometimes eats a cake. Oh! Hey, hey, hey! I'm super and I'm happy. I'm the best Super Mutlu. I discover things a lot. Who's getting older day by day? I'm super and I'm happy. I'm the best Super Mutlu. I'm super and I'm happy. Hey!
This is it, Mutlu. You truly are the real Super Mutlu.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, with this brand spanking new song called Super Mutlu Song. Mutlu!
I'm super